just submit me a representation only. They request me to give them permit.
Inong kamay arsyaka ki baju kamay da kabanya rapido hapo nang ba Shillong. Kiba hapo ka syatri jong ka right to serve. Kilapan sengau syaka sorkar bakan itu no ya ki kum kinong kamay bapura landi banyo ya ka permit kat kum ki kondon an. Habakran bat kelat pathai kubor. Menteri badai kmi ya ka tanat transport jong ka jala umasnya bahalang dahar. Ulaong ba unsara ya ka nikamat hakamiet ya keren kabinet. Lain itu no ya ki kum kinong kamay kat kum ki an. Habakali ya ka bamenta hado kilong illegal na em ban kamay namar kimdon ya ka permit ka babyang. Ulaong ba nakaliang jong u unamla banong AA tat andala ay permit ya ki pat an hap hapo ka jingkmi jong ka transport department. Laban kedaw ba ka sorkar jala haus nam baladap ling ba ka regional transport authority board kalapan mi ya ka hukum ban sya syu ya ki bakamay da ki arsyaka kat kum ka subsection 1 of section 66 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988.
Adalah.
Not a problem. They just submit me a representation only. They request me to give them permit and that's what I will do. I will make them legal. As of now they are illegal. Friends.
Kini kiba su kamay offline ko ito.
That's their duty. My duty is to give first the permit and document, and then I'll see if there is any complaint from the public. That is a normal process.
Kumalang do minta kung seperti punong lugar.
No, that I have to pass in the cabinet. No, I have to pass. Okay, we'll make them register. We'll give them permit. Only then, what are the offline online? It's up to them only. Yeah, if it affects the people of the state, and if somebody complains, I'll take action against that complaint.
Kaya action pinsim mga don di bawang jor.
Don't expect I'll take action. Hope things will be in order, everything.
Long kumbabon lagi pa ba ula uri kani ka jung overshot ka joki ka.
No problem. If I come receive the complaint, I will call meeting. How I call meeting around the complaint.
Adalah I permit yaki ka kandan ka proper charge.
Yet to decide in the cabinets. There will be a proper table how to implement the fees.
Ka by charge ka.
Yes, we have to put the full transport. First we'll pass in the cabinet, we'll make them legal, and then we'll put the fees annually or whatever it may be, and then the process how to move in the city. So there is a guideline to guide them properly.
Sungi na kan ka jing dawa jong ki kala den adu musim senem. Te ka bapen slam pat adu menta te namar ka jing slam menta.
The first application I get today only. I don't know about the last one yet. Today is the first, and I'll get passed in the cabinet in a few days. Today is the first application I got. It may be 1-2 years, you are right, but no complaint how I'll take action as a minister.
Oh, fi suggest kum na yaki as of now pat ba kim pat
I
legal.
don't suggest anything. Then we make them legal first, and then I will come with the rules and regulation.
So are they allowed to just go illegally and
That's why I won't allow. Frankly speaking, illegally I won't allow.
Kumalang tak isu tak kina.
That's why though I'm yet to study fast. Today the report came from them. I have to see the report from my department.
so now since it's not legalized can long be illegal can kamai be ye.
Don't worry.
So
The law will take action accordingly.
can beteng be ban kamai.
Don't worry. Since this thing come to my knowledge, we will do accordingly what we should do from the government.
Terus sibun mah.
The district administration not from me. From DC.
Pikun
No, from
Menteri
DC.
juga transport.
Because no, they will coordinate the traffic accordingly. No, directly from transport. Is DC will implement the order? Is DC will issue order?